So in this series of lecture, we will cover the full syllabus of C++ in a very short time. Okay. So let's start from the very basics. This is Aditya and let's start C++ crash course. What's C++? C++ is intermediate programming language, statically typed, free from multi-paradigm, compiled general purpose language and developed by Ryan Stronstrup. Object-oriented programming was first introduced in C++. It supports the four primary features of OOPS: abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. It is not purely object-oriented. You can write C++ code without using classes and it will compile without showing any error messages. The language contains some extension over C that make object-oriented programming and generic programming more convenient. It has two main concepts: direct mapping of hardware features and zero overhead abstraction for mapping. However, this is why C++ is often touched as the lightweight abstraction programming language that's used for creating efficient abstraction including hardware assets. It has more than 35 operators. Currently, there are more than 35 operators ranging from arithmetic and bit manipulation to logic operators, comparisons, and more. Virtually of all these operators can be overloaded for specific types. It supports four types of memory management, such as static storage during objects, thread storage during objects, automatic storage during objects, and dynamic storage during objects. Dynamic memory allocation. In C, dynamic memory allocation is done through malloc, reloc, calloc, and free functions. But in C++, this is accomplished through new and delete operators. Why C++? C++ is only for those applications which are very demanding on speed, performance, energy consumption, reliability. You can see C++ everywhere, in your washing machine, in your phone, in your everywhere. Just move your head and C++ is everywhere. Every electronic part in your home can easily found designed by C++.